Okay, so DaVinci Commerce, basically, what we've done is essentially look at the entire workflow that launches a campaign, right? And trying to see where agentic AI or AI in general can be applied to essentially simplify and scale the process. And that's essentially what DaVinci Commerce is doing. So if you look at the process of launching a campaign, first off, you need creative, right? So the question is, how quickly and easily can you create an ad, right? Now, there may be two parts of creating an ad. One is generating the ad from scratch, right? And agentic AI is used to do that. So what we do in DaVinci Commerce is we have an agent. What that agent does is it takes two inputs from you. It's, what's the brand, right? The brand's website, something like that. But it can also take in a creative brief. So the creative brief may be specific to that campaign, like you're launching a new flavor of a drink, right? So that's a specific campaign, and the brief contains a lot of the information related to that campaign. It just really only needs those two inputs. The third input, which it implies, is it knows that you're about to run this campaign on Walmart, let's say. Once it has those inputs, it's also been trained on retail media ads, so it knows what a retail media ad looks like and what components it needs to have. And what the agent is doing is compiling all of this information and essentially feeding it to generative AI to produce an ad that will have brand compliance, meaning it'll use the fonts that the brand tends to use, it'll have the right brand logo, and it also will produce an ad that's compliant with the requirements of that retailer. So if it's an Amazon ad, it will have all of the Amazon requirements in it. And what it's doing is generating a template. Why template? Because a template makes it reusable. So now you can swap out the product content in it, and that's what DaVinci Commerce essentially does, is allows you to take a template like that and reuse it for different products. So today you're launching this flavor of the drink, next week you're going to launch a different flavor, or you can market multiple flavors at a time to different audiences. That requires a dynamic template, and that's what this agent creates, right?